everybody, today we are going to show you how to display your FPS while gaming using your Nvidia's GeForce Experience. This way you can see how smooth your game is running in real time, so let's get started. First, make sure you have the Nvidia GeForce installed, so you can search for Nvidia. And this one right here, GeForce Experience, you can just go over and open it up on your device. And also log in with your Nvidia account if not logged in. Now, once this window opens up on your screen, you need to enable the in-game overlay. Look out for the gear icon, the settings, and open it up on your device. And make sure the in-game overlay is enabled here. Look out for the games and application. Or within general, you should be finding this section for in-game overlay. Go ahead and enable this option right here. If this option is turned off, you can just go over and enable it by clicking on this option right here. That overlay lets you access FPS, counters, and other features while gaming. And within here, once this is turned on, you can even look out for this settings option and click on it and access your settings, and look out for this option called HUD layout. Click on it and open it up. From here, go over and select the option for FPS counter. So go ahead and find that option. And within here, you can just go over and choose in which section you would like to have the FPS to appear. And then you can just go over and close up the menu once this is completed and tap on that. And once this is done, you can close this up. For now, let's close this up. And what you may do is you can just go over and launch any of the game that you prefer, and you should now see your FPS displayed in the corner that you've selected. And that is it. Now you can monitor your FPS in real time using Nvidia GeForce Experience very easily. So if this video helped you out, like the video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.